Welcome to the Risky Healthcare Business Podcast, where we help you prepare for the future by sharing stories, insights, and skills from expert voices in and around the United States healthcare world. I'm your host, Scott Nelson, a guy that grew up in Ohio and has been working all over the United States during my 20-plus year and counting career in the healthcare industry. I'm on a mission to inform, educate, and help organizations and individuals throughout the dental, medical, and veterinary healthcare industry with risk, while hopefully having some fun along the way. But how did I get on this risk mission? It began back in the spring of 2020. COVID was exploding all over the world, including the United States. The future was unknown because of an unanticipated adverse event. Hospitals were treating more patients than capacity limits. Healthcare practices were forced to close, some temporarily, some permanently, prompting banks and other financial institutions to receive calls from healthcare providers all over the country saying they would not be able to pay their loans. An unanticipated adverse event can happen at any time and take any form. COVID showed the importance of planning and preparation. So what is risk in healthcare? Where is it? How can you prepare for risk and overcome it? What are the challenges facing participants in the healthcare industry today? We're in a transformational time in healthcare. Have our models evolved to meet the moment? Risk can no longer be ignored. A risk versus reward mentality must also be coupled with risk versus regret. Gambling that an adverse event will never happen is not a viable approach to running a healthcare business. It's time to transform the model from reactive to proactive. In this podcast, you'll hear in-depth interviews, powerful insights, resourceful skills, and more from people at the forefront of this exciting time in the healthcare industry. We publish a new episode every 2 weeks, a long-form guest interview around 30 minutes. You can find a complete list that's easy to navigate in the Resource Center section of the SpringParker website, springparker.com, or click the listen link in the episode to listen and subscribe for free on your platform of choice. Each episode has show notes to help you navigate the episode, along with a full episode transcript. The show is the Risky Healthcare Business Podcast. It's available Tuesday, August 29th, and it's every other Tuesday, and you can subscribe now. Accelerating healthcare performance is creativity, not just productivity. Thank you for joining me.